Hey guys, today we're going to make cookies and here are the necessary ingredients. Brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla essence, flour, baking soda, corn flour, milk, and a few chocolate chips. You'll also need 2 butter sticks and I've already added them. To mix you can use the mixer or a spatula, and then you'll need a plate and a spoon. So I've added the butter, and you're just going to mix it to make it a little soft. Then you're going to carefully add the brown sugar, just like that, and then the white sugar. And then you're just going to let it mix for a while. So you're going to also need 1 spoon of vanilla essence. You'll need 1 spoon of vanilla essence. So you're going to add that to get the flavor. While that is mixing, we're going to add the baking soda, some flour, and a bit of cornstarch as well. And then we're going to mix it. And now we're going to add it in. Just a little more. We're going to add our dry ingredient mixture. You're just going to give it a light tap. You're going to start mixing it. With your spatula. You're going to add the rest of all your chocolate chips, and then you're just going to mix it with your spatula because we've got our cookie dough. Once you're done mixing, you're going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes to let it cool down a bit so you can mold up the cookies in the oven. Wait for 30 minutes. I took it out from the refrigerator after 30 minutes, and now we're going to make the cookies. To make them, you're going to take a spoonful of dough and take it in your hand, and then you're going to turn it into a ball shape. Once you're done that, you're going to press it flat, lightly. And you're just going to keep doing that until the tray fills. If you love chocolate chips, you could add a few more to them, like at the top, like that. But it's like unnecessary. It's your choice. It's not a must have. You're going to make sure there's even space between them, because when you're going to put them in the oven, there's going to be lots of heat pressure on it, which makes them even more flat. So cookies turn out well. So you're going to make sure they have lots of space in between. Cookies are ready, and now we're going to bake them. I'm going to use my mother's help to bake them because the oven is very hot. And After about 15 to 20 minutes, the cookies will be ready to eat. I'll be back. Here are your freshly baked cookies. They look so delicious. Yum! So bake cookies like these, fresh and delicious, and enjoy. Mmm! They're really delicious. Bye!